need help doing YouTube videos. Hi,
What's up, guys? How's it going? We're here.
Yeah, what's your Instagram?
My Instagram is @KendallPRZoo. For anyone that's interested in videography work and putting together these amazing child models. We got some nice selections here, so I'm excited to show you guys what Sarah has in store for you.
Woohoo! Thanks, Kendall. Tiny shout out. Here we go. So I have been posting a lot of photos on Instagram showing me wearing Louis Vuitton pants, and I just wanted to kind of give you guys a sneak peek of all my Louis pants. You know, when I die, bury me inside of a Louis store. That's what I think Kanye says, and that's where I'd like to be buried, inside of the Louis store. Okay, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Welcome to the first look, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everything either or in between. I don't know anymore. So we have a full Louis Vuitton look. We have the sunnies, the bag, and what we came here for, the calfskin leather pants that are so silky smooth. I love them. They feel so luxurious on my body. These are actually a size 38. I usually like to order materials that I don't think are going to stretch a size or two bigger because I can always get them taken in. And that is what I did with these, even though they have an elastic waistband, which is super, super stretchy. I just wanted it to like hug my body a little bit more. Yeah, I love the detail with the Louis Vuitton on the waistband. There's a little side zipper and pockets. Naughty. And the pockets are really sleek. There are two of one pocket, so you can only do this. You can't do this. It's kind of fun. Anyway, I feel like I need a really, really fast car, a race car, and like some flags would be badass. Really killer shades, exiting the car with like wind blowing, like I won first place. That's how these pants make me feel. Anyway, there's no zipper on the bottom, and the detail with like the stripe is really nice. I paired it with a Balenciaga shoe. Honestly, you could do a lot of bending in these. That's pretty cool. Yeah, let me know what you think. I feel like there's some of my favorites, and I might get them taken in one more time just to make them like extra snug. So you can see they are a 38. And leggings, that's what they're called. The price, oh my god. Okay, look. I'm not proud of this. I'm not proud of this. I don't even know what I want to say. Okay, let me be fully transparent. I don't buy myself like nice things even though I love nice things. I'm pretty frugal. In the sense that like I like to buy investments and stuff. I'll talk about that later. This is from my very generous boyfriend. $3,450. I have had rent that was a fraction of the price of these leggings. And so what I would usually do, I shouldn't even be saying this, like, am I going to wear these pants 3,450 times? Then it's worth it. I'd have to be wearing these for the rest of my life. So I love them though, I love them. And a lot of my girlfriends and I, like, we share clothes, so I really enjoy dressing them up. So I love to see them enjoy these. We might cut this part out, I really don't know. I'm gonna change now. Okay. Yes, sequins are painful. Yes, sequins are not my favorite material. However, I have like holographic Louis Vuittons on my butt. Does it get better than that? I don't know. Like, why am I so drawn to looking at my own butt? Because there's like little secret LVs in there. I feel like it's so cool. Wow, wow, wow. So these are a 34 as well. Shocking I fit into them. Did not have to get them taken in, so maybe that's like a good size for me. I like how there's a slight V-shaped cut to them. I feel like it accentuates the waist and hips to give you a nice like figure. Anyway, I'm obsessed with these pants. The length is perfect on me and I have a little heel on. They're not comfortable to sit in. I went to dinner in them. Miserable. Couldn't think about food, couldn't think about water, just wanted to take my pants off. But to stand and to walk, and shine, sparkle. Yes, yes, yes. I love them so much. There are pockets if you need. I don't know if this has a matching jacket, but if it doesn't want it, I want it so bad. They're kind of like pastel. I feel like you could do it with a brown, maybe even a black would be nice. I'm digging the white for like a day party in the summer. Like 2 drinks in my hands. Cute guy's phone number. Just kidding. Anyway, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna take these off now. I think you understand that these are the best pants ever. How cool are these pants? You would steal them from me, wouldn't you? You would go into my closet and take my fucking beep, my pants. And I wouldn't blame you. So they have really cute gold detail zippers. Okay, so we have a little clasp here and a button, super nice. And then the gold zipper, really pretty. And at the bottom it is, let me just put these back on. It's bunched. Can you see? Can you see now? Can you see now? So I feel like it's really cute. You could do like a sneaker, like a Jordan would be cute. Even, could you do Vans with this? I don't know. Like a plain Vans look. I love Vans. I don't like Converse really. Heels, class it up. Crop top always. Even a turtleneck would be really sophisticated, I feel, and some like jewelry. That's how I would style this. No stains on these yet. And they're a size 36. Maybe I could do a 34, but I do feel like they're a little snug right here in my hip area. Is this my hip area? I think my booty hip area. Okay, I'm done. Boom, boom. Okay, so these are actually some of my favorite pants. As soon as I got them, I was so excited to wear them, and I have a matching top. I'm obsessed. I didn't have to have them taken in or anything. They fit like a glove. Anyway, super stretchy. I love how sporty and sexy and like Tron-like they are. I love the icy gray color to them. I don't usually like gray. I feel like that's, you know, a pajama color, but this is icy gray. So in my realm, it's different. It's okay. You can wear it out, dress it up. Sporty meets posh spice vibes. Next, here we go. Yes. So this would be my take on a PETA-friendly Cruella de Vil moment. And this is actually a Louis Vuitton and Urs or Yours Fisher collaboration. And he is a visual artist from Switzerland. So I feel like that's pretty cool. Like, what a big deal to be like collabing with Louis Vuitton. These make the sound that I like a lot too. There's a cool little side drawstring. I like the detail on the side a lot, opposed to the middle, just to kind of give it some asymmetric attitude. There are some cool zip pockets with black detail. And even the pockets are like lined really nice. I do love the stripe going down. One, I feel like it frames the body nicely, like it kind of slims things here. And then it comes to kind of lift the booty. So you can pull this tighter, and at the bottom, instead of the popsicle pants, these have a little, oh my gosh, this is gonna be, how daring am I? Okay, we're gonna be daring. Okay, this has like a little clasp. Don't try that at home, kids. Anyway, these pants are fabulous, and I do love the tiny details that make such a big difference in the overall style, being different than any other windbreaker pant. a little bit elevated and very different. I don't think you're gonna see anybody else with this on, which is really cool. Next. Okay, it's denim time. This is a really heavy duty denim and I didn't think that these were going to fit me. These are a size 34. So keep in mind I tried on a 38 before and I had to have them taken in a couple inches. These are a 34. I'm not usually a size 34, so we'll see. I think it's more of a mom jean. Oh dear. Oh dear. Honey, I'm stuck. Ah! Okay. Oh dear. That was nice. A little wake-up call. Okay, they fit. They fit. Now let's put on a little shoe. So these have been my go-to shoes for a while, Balenciaga. They're super comfortable. Like how cute! How cute! They're stuck in this. I haven't worn these yet. As you can tell, I didn't even know if they were gonna fit me. But just to show you how much the sizes can vary, this is a 34. It fits, and if I wanted it super snug, I could get it taken in even more. Let's see what that looks like. I feel like it's kind of cool. Like, almost baggy, but still straight. What do you guys think? So here we have some gold detail. I love the gold Louis Vuitton. So I haven't had these altered at all, and I feel like the length is really nice. I'm about 5'7". It's all the details. I feel like this is a really clean look. And you could dress it up with black, white, that I'm doing now. Let's see how it goes with this bag. What do you think? Like the pastel blue and the royal blue, how does it go? Now, I really didn't know if I would be able to get these over my butt. We did. I feel like they're cute. You guys, I love a shiny pant moment. Please highlight all of my assets. You know? I wore them with some really cool Jordans. I've worn them with heels. I wore them out to a brunch and for a photo shoot. There's pockets. They're like the comfiest thing. And they shine really cool in the light. Like I'm looking at another video camera going over here. They shine really cool. They just kind of like float over your body. They're not like compressing anything anywhere. And you can loosen them up if you want to like wear them lower, which is kind of cool. This is an extra small. So if you were like feeling the low thing, that'd be cool. I'm not quite there yet. Summer body will come summer 2022, you know? Anyway, let's get some close-up shots of these bad boys and let me know what you think. Where would you wear these? Would you just wear them to bed? Would you wear them out? Can you see your butt in them? Let me know. Here we go. So I have shot these pants before with Dream State Live and people went wild, which was crazy because I feel on my Instagram people don't usually like it when I wear clothes too much, but I paired it with a Louis Vuitton swimsuit top that was red and white. And can you see? No, I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do that again, I almost fell. So it they're cool. I feel like, what are those popsicles called? Like the Rocket Pops or something? I feel like one of those. It starts at a bright blue and kind of fades to a darker blue, then purple tones, maroon, burgundy, and then we have a bright red at the top. Now these are kind of snug on me, not gonna lie. Like this part is like, sagging would be uncomfortable. Like you're gonna see those lines and a muffin top like etch into me if I wear them low. So I do keep them high. These are a size 34. I actually have a matching jacket with this and it's all blue and white, which is kind of cool. I feel like I love doing everything with heels, especially a more like, I call this a masculine look. I'm usually a skirt and dress type girl, but paired with heels, I feel like this is pretty cute. Crop top works. You could do this anywhere, especially on 4th of July. Anywhere. Let me know what you think of this and where you guys would wear these in the comment below. Okay, are we ready for the last look? Let's go. So I got these and I held them up and I'm like, what the baby size is that? Those are never gonna fit. I tried them on, they fit. I'm trying on one now. They're not fitting. No, I actually had them taken in the waist. They're 36. Let's see. I haven't tried them on since they've been fitted. So this could be like really funny. Cute! Go grease lightning. Go grease lightning all over me. I'll come to you, grease lightning. So I don't know if I'm saving the best for last, but it is the oldest for last because they are vintage. These two are PETA friendly. I wouldn't put anything in these pockets that I ever wanted to get out because they're like glued to me tight. You can't go wrong. Summer, winter, fall. Okay, maybe not summer, you would die. I would die in these. Summer now. I'll wait to wear these. What do you think? Would you wear these? What would you wear them with? So these have really cool detail on the ankles with a little zipper, and I think it's meant because they're supposed to be so tight that you like cannot get your foot in unless you unzip them. Anyway, I feel like these would go with anything. Like everybody needs a shiny black patent looking, vinyl looking pant. And these are pretty sweet, a little bit elevated. We have the dark, it's almost black button detail. I kind of feel like a superhero in them, like an off-duty superhero. Like I feel like that's what a superhero would wear out. You know? That's it, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, and let me know what you think. Which one was your favorite to watch me try on? Which ones would you see yourself wearing? What is the most you've ever spent on a pair of pants? And let me know what you think. Love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.